have something to show you guys. Oh my gosh. Anybody who's watched my video, and I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. I got a new job. I've been dealing with that. But anytime you hear me getting excited on my channel, y'all know it's because Nana has bought some beads. And from my favorite place, which is Jessie James Beads. Jessie James Beads has now these beads, beads by the pound, that just spoke, Nana, go buy these beads. So I have three that I want to show you guys that I bought. Look at that. I have to do something about my lighting. I hope it's not too bad, but we'll make it better. Let me see if I can. So I have that one, I have this one, and I have that one, and I have that to show you. Put that box down. So let's go over this first. I fell in love with this new bead mix that Jessie James Beads has. Let me open it. So I didn't want you to hear the rustling, so I opened them. I fell in love with these mixes. One is Light Academia and the other one is Dark. Oh, I'm sorry. One is Light Academia and one is Dark Academia. I love them both. I have bought two of these. This is my third. Let me open it up. Let me open it up for you so that you can see the beauty that is in this. Look at there. That Light Academia is wonderful, and it's this that just does it for me. This actually opens. You can put like a scent ball in there or something like that, or even a keepsake of a miniaturized picture or something of your loved one. Oh, I just love that right there. It looks like it reminds me of a well, I think that's probably what it's supposed to be, but a ladybug kind of sort of shape. But that is beautiful. I just love that. And look at these. Isn't that beautiful? I saw one of the ladies make some earrings out of this, and absolutely beautiful. So I'm not going to harp on these because I really want to get to the piece de resistance of those three bags I showed you. I also picked up this turquoise trail bead mix. I don't have much in turquoise, so that's one reason I picked these up, and the other reason because it was a hefty bead mix. This is a hefty bead mix. A lot of opportunities for design in this one mix. Look at that, just right off the bat. Look how beautiful that is. I've tried to do this on my own, but it never comes out the way that I get it from other people. This is actually probably a brass stamping, and oh, sorry, I got ink on my hand. That they have patinaed with some turquoise, some kind of paint, and then they buffed it off so that the brass would come back up in it to show you the design. Beautiful. I'm going to master this one day because I just love that technique. But I have two of those. Look at that. And all of this. Oh, and I'm losing. No, we can't lose them. We can't lose them. That is not an option. So there, what fell onto my mat is beautiful by itself, okay? Forget about the handful that I have. Just that little bit is beautiful. But we have some beautiful beads in this mix, and they can come together just to make something so extra beautiful. And there's also pendants inside this stash that's in my hand. If you don't see them, let me get them out. Look at that. Look at that pendant. It's like a decorated bull, maybe. I don't care what it is. I love it. And here's another one, a patinaed leaf or a painted leaf that's in there. Absolutely beautiful mix. Oh my gosh, I just love, love, love. You already know what I'm getting ready to say. Jesse James beads. I love it. Okay, let's put this back. They put together these beads by the pound. Why did you do that to me, Jesse James? Why did you do that to me? I think one of the beautiful owners of Jesse James Beads, her name is Sarah James. Why did you do that to me, Sarah? And I'm pretty sure that Emily packed these. No, it may not have been Emily, because I think I saw a video of another lady that they mentioned. I'm sorry, I can't remember her name, but I appreciate you for packing every pound of this bead mix for me, which is called Beads by the Pound in Red Wine. I'm a grandmother. I'm a grandmother. And I'm pretty healthy. I think I'm pretty healthy. But this is giving me heart palpitations. This is giving me heart. Oh my gosh, this is giving me. Oh my God. Look at this beautiful handful. Y'all need to stop, Jesse James. Y'all need to stop. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. And look at all these little extras that are really not even red beads, but there's so much in. Look at that beauty. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's something else. Another bead cap. Wow. They did it with this. They did their thing with these beads by the pound. Now, these beads by the pound are a very, very good value, because if you think about how many beads you see here, and you go to jessiejames.com and you look at their bead strands, I have a whole bunch of bead strands right here that if I would have bought each individual bead strand, this is at least, you know, I don't want to outweigh what they're really worth or anything, but I just feel like I have a really good value. So I'm not going to put any price on the head of this, but this was only $38.99 for all of this. Now you take yourself to Jesse James Beads and you test what I'm saying by looking at some of the beautiful bead strands and pricing them versus what you see here. Amazing value and amazing beauty. Look at me. Amazing beauty. I just want to play in them. I'm going to have to make something with a whole bunch of somethings with this. Let me put this one up and I'll be right back to. Okay, and the next beautiful, beautiful set is Beads by the Pound in Fresh Citrus. Oh, I didn't have many beads in these color, I don't think. I had some orange ones, but not a big variety within my stash of these orange beads. So let's just do a nice little pour. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Let me get the red ones out of the way. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Let me move out just a little bit because you're not able to see the goodness that I'm seeing right here. Look how many of these are in here. Oh, look at this one. Oh, they're mixed. There we go. Look at those. Look at this bead. Isn't that creative? That is so creative. That's one thing that I love. Well, one of the many things that I love about Jesse James Beads is the variety of the types of findings and beads that you never see anywhere else that I get in these Jesse. You guys, this is nothing but value. And again, this is another the same price, $38.99 for the Beads by the Pound in Fresh Citrus. And look at this. Doesn't it look like oranges are in here? Little miniature oranges or nectarines. I mean, whoever names the bead mixes, they are right on point with the names. Look at that. Just beautiful. Everything like matches. Look at that. absolutely beautiful, beautiful mix of beads, and I'm so happy. I'm just so happy and excited. They're just so beautiful. I know I sound like a crazy woman, but I'm sorry. I love beads and I love Jesse James. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. I'm in love. I even got some themed beads for Halloween. Look at the sparkle. Look at the amazing variety. And electric lemon soda. What a name. Electric lemon soda. Dirty. Coming at you right now. Oh, look at that already. Already. Wow. Oh, I have a whole bunch of these. I see a necklace already right there. Oh my gosh, look who's peeking at me. Look at that, was peeking at me. A little toucan. Isn't he cute? Look at these. These shell beads are beautiful. Electric lemon soda. Jesse James beads, what am I gonna do with y'all? This is just beautiful. It's so beautiful. I just love your beads. Now I have another channel, Nana's Beads, Jewels and Beads, where I also make jewelry. So I'm going to be making some things and putting it over there. I'll make a few things and put over here on Nana's Blings and Things. But Nana's Blings and Things is kind of sort of about my clay journey, and I haven't really been doing much clay lately, so that's why you've been seeing a lot of beading videos. Clay and the beading is just on the same level with me. At one point I felt like I loved clay better than beads, but I feel like I pull my beads and make jewelry now more than I pull on my clay. And I'm getting a lot of them because eventually I only want to make jewelry with Jesse James beads. So that was the electric, no, let's not leave out electric. That was the electric lemon soda in the beads by the pound. Again, they were $38.99 for the bag. Well worth every single penny I paid for them, for me. Worth every penny. So let me get these back in the bag. Okay, so now we have our electric lemon soda bag. We have our fresh citrus bag, and we have our red wine bag. So as you can see, I'm just gonna close them up so it's like really fair. Let me go like that. Okay, as you can see, this bag looks really full. This bag looks really full, but this one doesn't look as full as these other two. Hence the name, Beads by the Pound. In this electric lemon soda bag, there are beads in here that are beautiful. There's beautiful crystals in here that are heavily weighted. Those beads that I showed you, these right here, they had some weight to them, so you know it makes up the pound before the bag hits the top. So you're still getting a pound of love in this bag. Some of your bags may just not look as full as the others, but so worth it. I'm so in love with this. I hope that this never goes away on jjbambassador.com. So if you are a beader or you want to get into making jewelry, this would be a wonderful start for someone who is a beginner. Not to get all three of the bags, but maybe just to get one bag of your favorite color to start off your beading journey. It's so worth it, because to go on a website like Jesse James Beads, who offers quality bead strands and quality finding. The findings on Jessie Jane's beads aren't the findings, the normal findings you find on other websites or anything. The findings are actually, for the most part, tiara casts, and they are awesome quality findings. So you're not getting just any old thing. So if you're new to beading and you go to the website, you'll see the value in getting one of these bundles. It's going to help you kick off your beading or jewelry making adventure with a bang. So I hope you guys enjoyed hearing me squeal and holler about my light academia, about my turquoise bead trail mix, about my beads by the pound. I can't help myself. You just have to forgive me, because I love Jessie Jane's beads just that much that it makes an old lady like me squeal like a little kid. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to comment in the comment section and let me know, should I go back and buy the other 4 bags of the beads by the pound in the other colors? They have like a green one that I didn't get. They have a purple one. Y'all know purple my favorite color. They have a pink one that I didn't get, and they have a blue one that I didn't get. So y'all let me know, should I go back and buy those 4 bags? I'll be seeing you, and thanks for watching. And if you want any of this, jessiejanesbeads.com. Bye-bye.